Trucks are some of the most dependable vehicles on the road. They're built to handle tough jobs, from hauling heavy loads to navigating rough terrain. But not all trucks are worth their price tag. Some offer incredible reliability at a cost that makes them a steal for buyers. In this video, we'll explore 9 trucks that stand out for their durability, low maintenance costs, and great value. These trucks may not be the flashiest, but they get the job done without breaking the bank. Toyota Tacoma. The Toyota Tacoma is a legendary pickup truck, especially the first-generation models built between 1995 and 2004. Known for their rugged reliability, these mid-sized trucks are ideal for light hauling, off-roading, or everyday driving. The engines, either a 2.7-liter 4-cylinder or a 3.4-liter V6, are praised for their durability, often lasting over 300,000 miles when properly maintained. Their simple mechanical design means fewer parts are likely to fail, and affordable replacement parts make upkeep easy. These qualities make early Tacomas a smart buy, often priced between $5,000 and $10,000 depending on condition. Buyers benefit from low maintenance costs, strong resale value, and excellent performance on rough terrain. While older Tacomas lack modern luxuries like touchscreen infotainment systems or upscale interiors, they make up for it with their ability to withstand years of use without breaking down. Ford F-150. The Ford F-150 is America's best-selling truck for a reason, and the 9th-generation models, 1997-2003, highlight why it has earned such loyalty. These trucks are known for their rugged build, reliable performance, and long-lasting value, making them an ideal choice for anyone looking for a dependable workhorse on a budget. A standout in this lineup is the 4.6-liter V8 engine, which offers a solid mix of power and reliability. Many owners have reported reaching 400,000 miles with just basic maintenance like oil changes and belt replacements. The F-150's strong frame and durable suspension make it capable of handling rough terrain, heavy loads, and daily use without complaint. Used models from this era typically range from $4,000 to $8,000, depending on their condition and mileage. It's a smart buy thanks to the reliable V8 engine, wide availability of affordable parts, and a roomy interior for comfortable driving. The only downside is mediocre fuel economy, but overall it's a fantastic deal for a capable and long-lasting truck. Chevrolet Silverado 1500. The Chevrolet Silverado 1500 from 1999 to 2006 is a full-size pickup truck that offers excellent reliability and value. These trucks are well known for their strong construction and the dependable 5.3-liter V8 engine, which has a reputation for lasting well beyond 250,000 miles when properly maintained. Many Silverado owners report using these trucks for over 2 decades, handling heavy work tasks or serving as everyday vehicles for long drives. Whether you're hauling tools to a job site or towing a trailer for a weekend trip, the Silverado can handle it all. Despite their durability, used models from this era are affordable, often ranging between $5,000 and $10,000. The interior may be basic, but it's built to last, and replacement parts are easy to find, making repairs simple and cheap. Rust is a common concern in older models, especially in snowy regions, but routine maintenance and undercoating can help prevent serious issues. Toyota Tundra. The first-generation Toyota Tundra, 2000-2006, is a strong choice for anyone looking for a full-size truck with proven reliability and lasting power. Competing with well-known American trucks like the Ford F-150 and Chevrolet Silverado, the Tundra may not be as common on the road, but it holds its own with a dependable 4.7-liter V8 engine that can easily exceed 300,000 miles when maintained well. The truck's build quality is excellent, with a sturdy frame and a body designed to resist corrosion over time. It's ideal for buyers who want solid performance and durability without the cost of a newer model. Prices for used Tundras from this era usually fall between $6,000 and $12,000. Toyota's reputation for reliability, the V8's durability, a surprisingly smooth ride and low maintenance costs make this truck a smart investment, even though it offers fewer trim levels than some of its rivals. Nissan Frontier. The Nissan Frontier is a compact pickup that delivers big when it comes to reliability. The first-generation models, 1998-2004, are known for being simple, durable, and budget-friendly. The 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine may feel underpowered, but it's incredibly long-lasting, often running well past 200,000 miles with basic maintenance. For those needing more strength, the available 3.3-liter V6 adds extra horsepower while maintaining a strong reputation for reliability. These trucks are perfect for small business owners, tradespeople, or anyone in need of a dependable work vehicle without spending a fortune. Used Frontiers from this era typically sell for between $4,000 and $8,000, offering one of the best values in the used truck market. Key advantages include a straightforward mechanical design, low maintenance costs, and decent off-road capability. Dodge Ram 1500. The second-generation Dodge Ram 1500, 1994-2001, is a bold and reliable full-size pickup that still turns heads. Known for its aggressive styling and muscular stance, it became an icon among truck enthusiasts. The available 5.9-liter V8 engine is a powerhouse, offering excellent torque and a long service life when properly maintained. Many owners have reported surpassing 250,000 miles with regular upkeep, making it a trusted choice for work or recreation. Inside, the cabin is roomy and comfortable, giving drivers a pleasant experience even on long hauls. On the used market, these trucks are surprisingly affordable, typically ranging from $3,000 to $7,000 depending on condition and mileage. That makes it one of the best deals in the full-size truck segment. Key advantages include its powerful engine, classic design, strong towing capability, and low entry cost. However, buyers should watch out for poor fuel economy and occasional transmission problems in some models. GMC Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra 1500 from 1999 to 2006 is almost the same truck as the Chevrolet Silverado, sharing the same platform, engines, and overall build quality. The 5.3-liter V8 is especially well regarded for its strength and long life. Many Sierras from this era are still running strong after more than 20 years. What sets the Sierra apart is its slightly more upscale design, giving it a refined edge without sacrificing toughness. Used models are often priced between $5,000 and $10,000 depending on mileage and condition, making them a solid value. Highlights include strong towing capacity, affordable maintenance, and excellent parts availability. Like the Silverado, older Sierras may have rust issues, especially in northern regions. Honda Ridgeline. The Honda Ridgeline 2006-2014 stands out in the pickup world because of its unibody design, which makes it drive more like an SUV than a traditional truck. This unique structure doesn't take away from its dependability, thanks to Honda's top-notch engineering. The 3.5-liter V6 engine is a strong performer, offering smooth power delivery and a long lifespan, with many owners easily surpassing 250,000 miles. The Ridgeline is ideal for people who want a light-duty truck for everyday use, weekend trips, or hauling small loads. It delivers a smooth and comfortable ride and includes smart features like an in-bed trunk and a dual-action tailgate. Used models generally cost between $8,000 and $15,000, making it an excellent value for a reliable, practical vehicle. Its main drawback is limited towing ability compared to body-on-frame trucks, but if you're not planning to tow large trailers, the Ridgeline's comfort, versatility, and low maintenance costs make it a smart buy. 9. Ford Ranger. The Ford Ranger is a compact pickup truck that stands out for its toughness and dependability. Produced between 1993 and 2011, these models are especially known for their long-lasting performance, with the 4.0-liter V6 engine being a favorite among owners. Many Rangers have surpassed 300,000 miles with regular maintenance and few major issues, proving their reliability. This truck is perfect for people who need a small, budget-friendly vehicle for everyday tasks or light-duty work. It's also easy to park and maneuver in tight spaces. Used Ford Rangers typically cost between $3,000 and $8,000, making them an excellent choice for value-focused buyers. Though the interior is simple and it lacks big truck power, it delivers where it counts most: reliability and affordability. In conclusion, these 9 trucks prove that you don't need to spend a fortune to get a reliable vehicle. From the legendary Toyota Tacoma to the budget-friendly Ford Ranger, each offers durability, low maintenance costs, and great value. When shopping for a used truck, always check its maintenance history and have it inspected by a mechanic. A well-maintained truck from this list can serve you for years, whether you're hauling materials, tackling off-road trails, or just need a dependable daily driver. For anyone looking to save money without sacrificing reliability, these trucks are more than worth their price. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel. Your support is greatly appreciated. Thank you.